Nightingale is a small brown bird belonging to the family of Turdidae. It is found in Western Asia and in the continent of Europe. Nightingale mostly lives in woodland in forest. Nightingale has a brown body, a reddish tail, a cream colored belly and a chest. The length of a nightingale is 6.5 inches and the weight of a nightingale is 18 to 23 grams. Nightingale flies very low at a speed of 28 kilometers per hour. Nightingale is larger than robin bird. It sings very sweetly and loudly and makes a sound of whistling, trilling and gurgling. Observe and listen the sounds made by nightingale in a few seconds. Nightingale eats various kinds of food items like fruits, berries, seeds, and various kinds of insects.